Hi, my name is Chad Olson, and I am doing question 6 on the quiz access for week 6. And it looks like it is mostly just or completely doing journal entries for end of year. So let's do the first one. Luckily, it's down here. So we don't have to keep scrolling, so you don't have to see me slowly scroll back and forth. So depreciation on the company's wind turbine equipment for the year is $6,500. All right. So I like to do debits and credits amounts first, just so I can see the kind of a map. And of course, you can have more than one debit and credit in a journal entry, general journal. But right here, luckily, there's just one step. So there's the expense, depreciation expense, and accumulated depreciation. And so first, we're going to debit the expense, which throws me off. Expenses, I know debiting kind of makes me feel like it should be on the other side, but it's not. So it's there. And so accumulated depreciation, we're going to credit that because that adds up, accumulated, obviously. And so that is on the right side. So let's move on to the second one. Prepaid insurance account for the solar panels had a $3,500 debit balance. So they started with $3,500 at December 31st before adjusting. Now it shows $1,350 of unexpired insurance remains at the year. Okay. So I did that before just to make sure. It's 3,500 minus 1,350, which is 2,150. So I'll do that again first here. Remember, they had prepaid insurance of 3,500. And so I'm going to kind of do that one. So prepaid insurance, which is an asset. It's on the left side. So we want to get rid of that much so we can get from there to there. And that was 2,150. So we're going to credit it because the credit is on the right side, asset on the left. So prepaid insurance, and then the insurance expense comes in as they use it. So they used 2,150, and their expense was 2,150. And that, I believe, is correct. Okay. The company received $7,500 cash in advance for sustainability consulting work. As of December 31st, 1/3 of sustainability consulting work had been performed. So that's $2,500, just to make sure. Yeah. Okay. 1/3. So we're going to debit 2,500. We're going to credit 2,500. Now, this is a revenue instead. So it was unearned revenue. And then services revenue. Sorry, this is, like I said, slowly scrolling. Okay. Service revenue. Revenues are on the left side. Right side, sorry. Service revenues are on the right side, so we're increasing that. Unearned revenue, we're debiting that. And I'm pretty sure that's right. Yep, looks good. Okay. As of December 31st, $2,700 in wages for expense for the organic produce workers has been incurred but not yet paid. It's $2,700. Now we're going to go here down to wages. So wages payable, wages expense. We're going to go wages payable and wages expense. Wage expense, we're debiting that because we're increasing their expense. And then the wages payable is a liability, and that is increasing as well. So even though they have not been paid, we're putting in the journal entry for wages payable. So we're increasing that. And then we'll go to the last one. As of December 31st, the company has earned, but not yet recorded, $550 of interest revenue. So we're back to revenue instead of an expense. From investments and socially responsible bonds, the interest revenue is expected to be received on January 12th. Okay, we don't care about January 12th. We're going to debit $550 and we're going to credit $550. All right. Now, interest receivable is an asset. And we're going to increase that because they've earned it, but it's not yet recorded. Interest revenue is also going to be increased. All right. So hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully I got everything. Let's check my work. It's not good. I'll have to redo this video again. Okay. So these all match. Answer is complete and correct. So if you have any questions, let me know. If anybody watches these, I know I do on a couple. So anyway, thank you for watching.